Hey guys, I hope that you are having an awesome day. So today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this look. This is just like a holiday makeup look. I like to do like reds when it comes to the holidays. I'm using the BRETMAN collaboration from Colourpop, which is the Lit palette. This is the one that I showed you guys in my haul, and the eye right here. So if you guys want to check it out, it's right here. So this is the palette that I use with this look. I really like it a lot. The pigmentation is great. Like, there's no issues with like applying them on the face. I only use a concealer and also powder on it to make it more vibrant. I really like how it showed. So it's like a lot of reds and all that stuff. It's perfect for like Christmas and Thanksgiving as well. The foundation was a little bit too white, a little bit too bright on my face. So I try to mix it a little bit, but it might not be helpful right now, but it's better than before. I think I forgot to add more footage in the video about me putting on my contouring and stuff like that. But I use this palette right here for contouring and highlighting. I think I may forgot, but it's okay. But this is what I came up with, with this eyeshadow palette from BRETMAN. So yeah, if you guys haven't checked them out, he's like right here and stuff like that. He's like really awesome, really funny and stuff like that. So I found this collaboration from Trend Mood on Instagram as well. So it's really cool that I actually got my hands on this too, because I'm a really big fan of his for so long. So I wanted to support him. If you guys are interested, then keep on watching, and also don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and also ring the bell so you guys can get notified when I upload a video. Bye guys.
Just keep breathing and breathing and breathing and breathing. Keep on breathing. Just keep breathing and breathing and breathing and breathing. Keep on breathing. Sometimes it's hard to find, and I try for you to me every time. Just keep breathing and breathing and breathing and breathing. I'm so ready. This has gotta be tonight. That dreams come true. Everything feels just right. Guess when I'm with you, you know that I'll be home. Did you feel my love? Did you feel my love? I'm how you like. Did you feel? Oh, still I can see I'm so ready.